Hi there, in this video we're preparing the X Carriage by building these two pieces here. So these are the components you'll need to build the X Carriage. You'll need these plastic parts, you'll need a bearing and a shaft for it to sit on, a couple of pulleys, an end stop and an end stop breaker, and a motor with a pulley attached. Now this pulley on the shaft, this is what you build, but you don't build it like this. You have to push the bearing into this white plastic part first, and then you build up the rest of it around it. I'm just showing you this now just so that you see what goes into the pulley that goes in there, but that's not how you build it. So we'll get on and build. So you can build it. So this is step one of the preparation of the X Carriage. The piece with the motor is like this. It will go on the right hand side y-axis right over here. The motor is oriented so that the cable comes out this side, and on the other side you'll have an end stop, initially just dangling there. We can't tension it up yet, that comes later. And on the other side you'll have this cover plate, which will be where the belt is secured, but again that's a later thing. And this piece with the pulley will go on the left hand side of the printer this way, or this way, sorry, left hand side of the printer this way, and the pulley is oriented in this direction, and you'll have an end stop breaker or a flag, as they're called, loosely attached to this side with an accompanying cap, for the belt on this side. So that's the first step in building the X Carriage. Okay, now here's another trick or a tip. That is, when you're dealing with lots of these things like washers and nuts and so on, count them, because the counts in the documentation are accurate, and it'll help avoid losing some or not putting enough on. Because if you build these components, for example, and end up with a washer left over, then you've done it wrong. So that's a trick. For a lot of these things, count your parts beforehand.
Yeah.
Right. So here we are, here are the completed pieces. Nothing's secured down yet, they're just hand tight. There's no point doing that, we've got to put bearings and rods and all sorts of stuff in here. But these are the two completed pieces, and they will go like this in the printer. Well, this is like this in the printer.
Can you see it on the camera? Yeah.